my channel. Today we have a new exponential tricky question for you that is already asked in the entry test of the Harvard University. Think this question is very important for your future life. Let's come start. X square root of x is equal to 2x by 2, 2 exponent 4 minus x divided by 2. How we can find the value of x is unknown. Look here, x square root whole exponent of x and 2 is the base, 4 minus x divided by 2. So first of all we can try to finish the square root. We are multiplying, we are taking square on both sides. So if we take square root, taking square on both sides, we can write this term 2 4 minus x divided by 2 if we take square. So according to the double exponent rule, we can multiply this term and square root we can write x 1 by 2, and also this 2 is 2x is equal to, this will be also we can write 2 into 4 minus x divided by 2. So this will be cancelled. Here is this is 2 is also cancelled. We have the result x and whole exponent of x is remaining, x multiplied by 1, x is remaining, and 2 exponent of 4 minus x. Now this term is eliminated according to the rule 2 exponent of 4 dot 2 exponent of minus x. Now here is power axis and here is power axis. We change into the form of reciprocal form. This term x exponent of x is equal to 2 exponent of 4, and we can write 2 exponent of x, because according to the rule negative power change into the power we divide by 1. So this by cross multiplication, x exponent of x and 2 exponent of x is equal to 2 exponent of 4. Now power are same, so we can write 2 exponent of x whole exponent of x. We can write according to the power rule. So this will be 2 exponent of 4. Here is 2x and here we can write power and bases. If we are both answer must be same. If we are base are comparison or power are comparison. So this 4 we can write 2 exponent of 2 into 2. This will be equal to 4. This will be equal to 4, and here is 2x whole exponent of x. Now it means that if we are comparing the base, so we will get the answer is 2. If we are comparing power x is equal to 2, we directly x is equal to 2. Now if we comparing the base, 2x is equal to 4, dividing both sides by 2, so this will be cancelled to each other, x is equal to 2. So our solution is both are same if we are comparing the exponent or base. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more. Thanks again for watching.